Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be transforming myself into Miss Kylie Jenner. I'm going to do my best. This is the photo I'm kind of recreating. I look nothing like her, but I think it's really cool to play with makeup and kind of try to make yourself look certain ways, sometimes just for fun. So if you want to see me attempt to do that, then please keep watching. But before you do that, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I love you guys so much. Is there anything else I have to say? Oh, my hair. So I have like 5 pieces of hair that just won't stick down. I used gel, everything. Just ignore those hairs. And now, please keep watching. Alrighty guys, so this is the completed look, the hair and the makeup. The hair is just a super high ponytail, done like kind of like in that little like style, you know. The makeup, I think it came out pretty similar. I will say it's not exactly the same because I don't have all the same colors that she has. But I think it came out really, really cool. I think this is a really fun look if you want to step out of your comfort zone a little. Highly recommend. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, again, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel because I have some super cool videos coming up. I'm so excited for this Halloween series, even though like, are any of us really going out for Halloween? Are we really doing anything? No, but I have so many looks planned and I kind of want to start them already, but it's like, it's September. It's still like the middle of September. So I feel like I should wait a little bit. But soon enough, you guys are gonna get bombarded with Halloween looks and I'm so excited. So I will see you guys next time. I love you.